Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here I am your teacher with the first lecture of the chapter Loops and Graphics in Small Basic. As it is understood by the name of the chapter that in this chapter we are going to learn about loops and graphics in Small Basic. So first of all we must know that what is a Small Basic. So let's start. Small Basic is a programming language which is designed to make the programming easy and fun for the beginners. And when you launch the Small Basic in your systems or your laptops, you can see a window which is just like this figure appears. We can also call it Small Basic environment where we write and run our program. And you can see this window has three distinct elements 1, 2 and 3. And what are these? The first one, it is the editor where we write our small basic program, and if in any case if we want to open a sample program or a previously saved program, it will show on this editor. This one, it is the toolbar. This second element is showing the toolbar which is used to issue commands to the editor, and you can see different types of commands on this toolbar. And the third one, the surface where all the editor windows go. You can see in this window there is a sample program for you. For better understanding, you can see a simple program has been written, that is text window dot write line, and in these codes you can see a message that is hello world. You can see this statement is telling the computer to write a line of text which is hello world in the text window. And where is your text window? You can see it here. This black window is called the text window where we run our program, means where the output of the program goes, and we also call it object. And this write line writes text or number to the text window, and this operation is followed by hello world which is inside these codes. And whenever you run your program by clicking on run or by pressing F5 from your keyboard, you can see the output in this text window. You can see your message has been written, that is hello world. Okay, now let's do a practical. In this practical, you can see it is your window where you have to write your program. Okay, let's start. Text window, you can see a menu has been appeared. As I want to write here text window, you can see this one in this menu, and by pressing up and down arrows from your keyboard and then by hitting on the enter key, you can get your relevant text in your window. It makes or helps to type your program faster. Then dot write line, you can see by pressing enter you can get it here, write line. And then let's write a message in brackets by using quotes. You can write any message like I love my country, again quotes and brackets close. I have write this Message in quotes because the characters written in the form of text are always written in quotes. Otherwise, your program will never run. And by pressing F5, run command or F5, you can see your program, that is I love my country. You have seen that a simple mistake can stop running your program. Okay, okay, now let's add some colors to your program. How can we do it? Okay, in this simple program, again, text window dot background color. You can add any background color of your own choice. Okay, again use quotes. Color, let's select green color. Quotes. Okay, background color has been chosen as green. Now let's change the font color to, again, right, text window dot foreground color. Let's select it as, let's choose the red color. Again, quotes. You can see the background color has been chosen as green and your font color as red. Okay, now let's run the program. You can see in this text window, your background color has been chosen as green and font color as red, and message has also written, that is I love my country. I hope you'll understand today's lecture. In the next lecture, we'll talk about loops in Small Basic. So install or launch this Small Basic in your systems. Do much more practice and try to grab the concepts. Until then, thank you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.